Hello friends, welcome back to another yoga session. We're going to have so much fun. Let's get started.
Stand tall like a giant mountain. Can anyone push a mountain? Nope. Stay strong and steady. Grow your branches high into the sky. Can you feel the wind gently swaying your leaves? Whoa! Spread your wings wide and fly over rivers, forests, and rainbow clouds. Meow. Curl your back like a sleepy cat. Moo. Lift your head like a happy cow. Let's visit the farm. Hiss. Lift your chest and become a friendly cobra. What animals can you spot in the jungle? Curl up like a tiny bunny, resting in its cozy burrow. It's quiet time. Stretch your arms wide like a brave warrior. Protect your magical kingdom with courage. Oh no! Your chair disappeared! Pretend you're sitting on an invisible chair. Hold it. Click, click. Become a playful dolphin, jumping through sparkling ocean waves. Lift your tummy and make a strong bridge. Can tiny animals tiptoe underneath? Wrap your wings in balance like a mighty eagle soaring above the mountains. Stretch your paws forward. You're an excited puppy, ready to chase a bouncing ball. Hold your foot and become a graceful dancer performing on a magical stage. Stretch your arms and legs wide. Shine brighter than every star in the galaxy. Go! Become a peaceful pigeon resting in the sunshine. Let's be friendly camels walking through the desert, looking for hidden treasure. Roar. Stretch long and strong like a tiger exploring the jungle. Balance carefully and glow like a beautiful half moon lighting the night sky. Reach toward your toes. Maybe they're ticklish. Can you say hello to them? Lie down on your fluffy cloud and float gently through the sky. Breathe in and out. You did an amazing job and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!